Hey there, this is Tom with BorrowLenses.com, here today to talk to you about flat lay product photography. In this video we're going to talk about lighting, gear, and how to take the shot. Here's what you're going to need. A large flat shooting surface that's not too glossy, a big soft light source, a camera, and a tripod, or really steady hands. It's not a hard and fast rule, but I like to arrange the objects in my shot into either a square or a rectangle. It's a little like putting together the pieces of a puzzle and can take a while before you get it just right. Arrange your light so that it shines across the objects and not directly on top of them. This is my preference because it makes for some nice shadow and a more natural appearance. Make sure your settings are dialed in. I like to shoot at around f4, so the objects in my shot are clearly in focus, but the table I'm shooting against is a little blurry. Lastly, if you're not using a tripod, be sure to bump up the shutter speed to compensate for any handshake. If you're using a tripod and an arm, it'll help to use live view mode to frame up your shot and make sure everything is nice and level. It might even help to use a remote trigger so you don't need to strain or risk messing up your shot. If you're shooting handheld, give yourself negative space to crop and adjust in post. If you're like me, you're shooting 4x5, so plenty of room is good. Achieving critical focus when hand holding is a challenge, so go slow, take plenty of shots, and review everything before you break down. And that's how we shoot flat lays. If you want to learn more, check out our blog at BorrowLenses.com, and thanks for watching.